We'll guide you through how to sculpt in Blender. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Blender and start a new project. You'll see the default cube in the center. To begin sculpting, you need to switch from Object Mode to Sculpt Mode. Look at the top left of the screen, click on the drop-down menu that says Object Mode, and select Sculpt Mode. Once you're in Sculpt Mode, you'll notice a set of tools appearing on the left-hand side. These are your sculpting brushes. A good starting point is the Draw brush, which lets you add volume to your model. Click on it and start dragging over the surface of the cube to see it come to life. If you want to smooth out any areas, switch to the Smooth brush by either clicking on it in the toolbar or pressing the shortcut Shift while using another brush. Blender also offers a Dintopo feature, which stands for Dynamic Topology. This is excellent for adding more detail because it dynamically alters the mesh resolution as you sculpt. To enable Dintopo, look at the top of the Sculpt Mode menu and check the box next to Dintopo. You'll see a menu drop down with options for detail size, which you can adjust depending on how detailed you want your sculpture to be. Remember to frequently rotate your model using the middle mouse button to check all angles and ensure a consistent look. You can also zoom in and out with the scroll wheel for finer control. If you make a mistake or want to undo an action, just press Ctrl and Z. As you sculpt, feel free to experiment with different brushes like inflate, pinch, or crease to see how they affect your model. Sculpting in Blender is a creative process, so take your time exploring these tools and have fun with it. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.